We are in lab 6.5.14 and we're going to create CNAME record. So the sales department wants to create an intranet for all sales employees. Internet Information Services is installed in CompWeb and we will use to host the intranet site. Employees need the ability to access the web server using any of the following URLs provided. So you have already created a sales private forward lookup zone on CompTIA server. In this lab, your task is to allow connections to the web server by creating the following alias CNAME records in the zone using the informations below. So alias name and all the other details provided. So when using alias record, use web.compnet.local as the fully qualified domain name. Okay, so let's start lab. So in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video occasionally and work at your own pace. So you're going to match every move I make in this video, every step I take, so that you can be successful in this particular lab. Alright, so this window, the lab has opened up, so let's start up. I'm going to maximize this so that what I'm doing is going to become clearer to you. So we'll select CompTIA. I'm going to start up CompTIA. Let me maximize this again so you see what I'm doing clearly. So we go to Tools, click on Tools, and we select DNS, and we select CompTIA. Let's maximize this, and we go to sales private forward lookup zone on the CompTIA server. So it's going to be lookup zone. We select that, and sales private forward lookup zone. Okay, so it's going to be sales private. So I'm going to select this, right click on it, and select new alias CNAME. So let's select this, and so what do we have? We have the alias and the target host. So let's see what we have here. So we have compweb.compnet.local. Okay, so we'll go back to sales private, new alias CNAME, and we type in the next one is going to be intranet, and target host is going to be compweb.compnet.local, and go to new alias CNAME, and this is going to be www. And this is going to be compweb.compnet.local. So this right here is done. We'll go ahead and check our answers. So if you find this video helpful,
busy with health challenges, work, or family issues, We help students handle labs, coding, quizzes, discussions, and assignments, while you focus on life. Our expert IT tutoring support helps you reduce stress and achieve A+ grades in your tech courses. Message us on WhatsApp now, +234 8122948229.